What do we got over here?
I have a ladybug on me.
Ah, it's cold. It was cold.
Yes, it is. But I'm smart because I can get in the water.
It gets warmer the further you go.
What are you trying to say?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Oscar and Jalen's try-on haul.
We can try on Cold Select clothes from H&M. We got this Marvel windbreaker from H&M going on. We got also the Beyond shirt, exclusive. Also with H&M ring, LAS, because you know, local society. Jaelen.
Show us the bag.
Show us the bag. Oh yeah, you want the bag? The bag shot's the best.
Yeah.
We got Jaelen with the light gray or the
Let's see what
dark gray hoodie.
Jalen have.
And then some sunglasses.
Ooh, look at that lighting, golden hour and everything.
All right, give us a spin.
I got these beautiful, beautiful pizza socks. Ooh. You know, I ain't no insecure male. I like pink.
And he attacked. Oh, he attacked too? That's what this tower is for. Okay. All right.